Hey YouTube, this is the Fluffita UGG slides. If you'd like to see how I bling them out, what size rhinestones and glue I use, stay tuned. I received these UGG Fluffita slides for a birthday gift at the end of July, and they're very beautiful and pure white and very comfortable. And I just couldn't help but to see how I can apply some rhinestones. So here we go. These are glass crystal high quality rhinestones. And you will need some E6000 glue, a rhinestone pickup tool, and you'll just want to make sure that you do wipe off your Uggs with some alcohol. This pickup tool was purchased on Amazon for about $8. There's my E6000. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I did use green rubbing alcohol, just use clear because I really could have got some of that green on the Uggs and I would not have been happy about that. These slides retail for $100 from what I saw on UGG.com. And like I said, they're extremely comfortable. They have quite a bit of a thickness to them, so they add like 2 inches onto your height. Now this is not something I particularly would have picked out for myself, but I've never saw this style before, so I'm so glad that I did get these. I know I see a lot of people with the slingback kind, and I noticed that fluffy type slides are in. I just don't like when they're dingy. So as you can see, these are extremely white, like snow. And I am just so nervous about wearing them. You know how when you walk around, you kick up dirt, or if you walk through some sand or just a dusty area. So I won't be wearing these a lot. These are just going to be some specialty shoes that I wear. So I decided adding the clear rhinestones would just be great and really set them off. Now I did go ahead and use 3mm rhinestones on the U and the GG. So I had to get consistent with it to make sure that you could tell what the letters were. Some of the G's may be a little off than others, but as I continued on with the shoe, I did get consistent. So just kind of watch how I apply the stones. And if you decide to do this look, I think it's fun. It'll really make the shoes stand out pretty good. And they should stay on pretty well as long as you make sure you clean all the rubber areas with alcohol like I did. On some areas of the shoe, I will also be using 4mm, but I mainly use 3mm. I will also include a link to where these rhinestones can be purchased. And just in case you were wondering, these are a size 9 in women's. And when I looked on the UGG website, I see that this same style does come in turquoise, pink, and I believe like a lime green, and then the white, and also a black. So I may have to pick me up another pair. I really like the pink, and the turquoise is really cute as well. But I'm really digging these white. They remind me of like snow, just so pure white. But I think black would be super cute as well, and pink. Like all of them just seem really cute. As you can see, it's coming along, and I'm fast forwarding some of it because of course it'll take forever if I just have it going at regular speed, but just trust the process and take your time and line up the rhinestones the best you can. It's basically like tracing the letters with rhinestones, and you could even go a 2mm, an even smaller rhinestone if you want to. That may even give you a better outcome as well. And I know this isn't for everybody. Some people may not even want to touch the shoe and just leave it as is. But you know, on this channel I like to add embellishments to different things, especially my shoes sometimes. And I like for my things to look different than other people's. That's just me. But if this isn't for you and you don't like it, that's understandable too. But I just thought this would be a very nice way to embellish the shoes. And then just also to give you some type of inspiration If you want to do this same exact thing to your shoe, that's cool too. I'd like to see how they turned out. But this shoe is almost complete. Then what I'm going to do is add some rhinestones to the top as well. You'll see. Just keep watching. Okay, so as you can see across this little strap area, there is an indented area where you can read and see where it says UGG. So I'm just going to take some rhinestones to go inside of this area. I did use 3mm on this part as well. I think I got low on my 3mm, and on the other shoe, you'll see later in the video, I did use a 4mm, and they both still look fine to me. So I think this really makes the top of the shoe pop also. This is optional. This is just what I wanted to do. You could just do the sole area if you wanted to and just leave this top part alone. But I felt like it just goes hand in hand to just do all of it. Like, why not? This is coming together really cute, and for me it's the quality of these glass crystal stones. Again, I will have a link to where these can be purchased. And doing the top of this just made so much sense. Just keep following along, and we're almost finished with the first shoe. Now on this buckle area, I'm not sure if you saw, but it is engraved the words UGG, and I was going to leave that part blank just to show the UGG area, but I covered it right on up because it just looked better covered. So that's why at first there was no rhinestones there. Okay, this is the final look of the first shoe. Very pretty, very clean, classy, sparkly. Now I'm cleaning off the second shoe with clear alcohol, getting this one ready. You saw how I did the first shoe, so you pretty much get the gist of it. Just complete the same process on the second shoe. Here I found it very helpful to use the clear insert of the shoe as like a jack stand to prop the shoe up. It was just so helpful. So just kind of do what works best for you. Okay, I'm ready for the close-up. Check this out. I think this is like very, very nice. It's different, and that's what I like best about it. The glass crystal rhinestones are very good quality. It's giving clean sparkle. It's giving comfort. Let me know what you guys think. Are you digging this? Are you gonna do this to your UGG slides? I really, really like the quality. It reminds me of like snowballs or, I don't know, clouds, marshmallows. I hope you like this video and receive some type of inspiration as to what to do to your shoes. Again, they come in multiple colors, so whatever color you decide to get, you could still add a little something to your shoe. And you don't have to choose clear. You can go with the iridescent or you can go with the color. It's up to you. Okay, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Like, share, and subscribe if that's what you decide that you want to do. I like to do these type of videos just to offer some type of inspiration. So be inspired. Have a great day. Bye-bye.